I think I was late for the first lecture. I think it started around 9:30 and I came around 11.
This last bencher just walked in the class and with full attitude he walked in looking at everybody like this, and he looked at me also like this, and I looked at him, he looked at me, and then he completely moved away and went and sat somewhere. So I was just sitting over there and noticed him. Around half a year has passed in college, and I was dancing in the annual day, and Kaustubh was in the cell which organized the functions, you know. So I called him up and I said, you know, I need help with mixing the songs.
So that was the first instance where we spoke with each other. As a person, she is a really genuine person to have, and natural clicking है उसका मतलब she gets along with people very easily itself.
And he was the person I walked up to every time after that. No one else became like anything close to what I shared with him. He was actually very funny. Like कुछ भी बोलेगा and I would end up laughing. तो even in the saddest, एकदम grey वाला day होता है ना जब आपको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होता है. Even on those days he had the ability to just make me laugh. तू जो नैना चुपिलाया है शराबी रंग लाया तेरे इश्क च होया मैं मलंग सजना तेरी डोरी. Evening में we went for the K1 and मैं वहाँ पे पहुँची हूँ. एंड वो स्टेप्स के पास आने पे ना दे जस्ट क्लोज माई आईज एकदम जल्दी से. बट व्हेन आई रीच्ड ओवर देयर एंड आई सॉ हिम
एंड शी क्राइड व्हेन आई प्रपोज्ड एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरा ऐसा आँख में आंसू आ गया था, पर वो ऐसा ब्राइटनेस था ऑफ माई फ्यूचर.
क्या एडवाइस रहेगा कौस्तुभ को?
You have to say always yes.
वो yes yes बोल ही रहे. He is very चालाक यार, very चालाक bro.
I think with her I can be myself. I can be the funnier side of mine. But she thinks it is a charming quality, and that is the thing that I like the most about her. She makes me comfortable of who I am, and that's about it. क्या कहूँ आँखों ने मेरी सब कह दिया, तू ही जीने का मतलब कह दिया. अब सांसें चले ना चले क्या फिकर, तू चले साथ तो खूबसूरत सफर. तेरी राहों में मेरा जहां के रंग लगे इश्क का, के रंग लगे इश्क का. तेरा होया इस तरह के रंग लगे इश्क का, के रंग लगे.
Kaustubh, I just want to tell you that I know I can get like really difficult on some days, and I may not be as funny as you are, but I promise I'm not gonna let you cry or feel sad or have a grey day ever with me. I promise.
साजदारियां होना नहीं मैं तेरे तो जुदा. now we won't be able to understand what love is. By the age of 50, 60, when we are together itself, sitting, sipping tea or coffee itself, tabhi when we reminisce this all those things, I think that time we will be able to like understand what love is.